Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Protec Pwf2 filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the pristine quality of your drinking water, ensuring every glass you pour is free from impurities and contaminants that can affect taste and health. This filter is designed to tackle a wide range of common waterborne issues, making it a crucial investment for any household seeking reliable and effective water purification. Its advanced filtration technology works diligently to remove sediment, chlorine, and other undesirable elements, contributing to a healthier living environment and superior tasting beverages straight from your tap. Number 5. Protec Humidifier Replacement Filter. Ensure your humidifier is always working at its best. This replacement filter is designed to help you breathe easier. Keep your cool mist humidifier performing optimally. It's designed for Vicks humidifiers and many other models, ensuring a perfect fit. This filter helps maintain clean mist for healthier air in your home. It's a simple way to ensure you're always getting the most out of your humidifier. Replacing your old filter is quick and easy. Just swap it out with this new one to continue enjoying fresh, humidified air. Crafted for durability, this replacement filter offers long-lasting quality. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your humidifier's efficiency. What we like. This filter is designed specifically for Vicks Cool Mist humidifiers, offering a straightforward replacement. If you have a Vicks humidifier and prefer a single, convenient filter, this is a good option. It's ideal for those who want a simple, no-fuss solution for maintaining their Vicks unit. What people say. This brand is what Vicks recommends on their website for replacement filters, so I was very pleased to see a reasonably priced 3-pack, and it turns out that they are the perfect fit for the Starry Night humidifier. One additional tip: many people complain about the filters in this unit not lasting long or developing mildew or foul smells fairly quickly. This 2-step process works for me to keep them lastly about a month. 1. I take the filter out of the unit each day to air dry and then remoisten it under running water at night before putting it back in. 2. When I start noticing mineral buildup, I let the filter soak in a 50% vinegar 50% water solution to remove it. If you can determine roughly the exact amount of water you need in a tank to last overnight, you can then keep it on for an extra hour after your kids get up in order to thoroughly dry out the filter. The cool air humidifier normally works by having a fan blow air through the wet filter, so doing this is like having a little hair dryer focused on the damp filter to dry it out. Number 4. Extolife WF2 Humidifier Filters 6-pack. Introducing a 6-pack of universal humidifier filters designed to fit a wide range of popular humidifier models. These filters are compatible with Vicks, Honeywell, Sunbeam, and Cas humidifiers, ensuring broad usability. Our filters feature a double-layer absorbent mesh with an aluminum foil layer. This design effectively traps minerals and pollutants from the water, helping your humidifier maintain peak performance. Experience optimal moisture output with our honeycomb pad design. It helps raise your home's humidity level to the ideal 40% to 60%, creating a healthier and more comfortable breathing environment. Improve your breathing comfort, enhance your sleep, and alleviate issues like nasal congestion and dry skin. These filters contribute to a better overall well-being. This package includes 6 premium filters. For best results and extended service life, we recommend using distilled water and replacing the filter every 1 to 2 months. What we like. This option provides a generous 6-pack of WF2 filters, offering excellent value and ensuring you have replacements on hand. Its broad compatibility with Vicks, Honeywell, Cas, and Sunbeam models makes it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a cost-effective, multi-brand solution and want to stock up, this is the perfect choice for consistent air quality. What people say. These fit perfectly, and don't seem to turn brown as quick as other brands I have used. These are easy to change out, and there has been absolutely no mold growth. It has some metal reinforcement in the filter, so it seems well constructed. We were initially hesitant to switch from the recommended brand to this one, as we always prefer to stick to the manufacturer's suggestions. However, after using it for several months, we're happy to say that there's no significant difference between this filter and the branded one. It works just as effectively, providing the same level of performance for our humidifier. They absorb water well and don't let it sink. I tried replacing it with something else, but these are the best. Number 3. Extolife WF2 Humidifier Filters 3-pack. Introducing the Extolife Pwf2 Humidifier filters, designed to enhance your home's air quality. This 3-pack ensures you have replacements ready for optimal performance. These filters are compatible with a wide range of popular humidifier models from Vicks, Honeywell, Sunbeam, and Kaz. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing unit. Featuring a double-layer absorbent mesh and aluminum foil, they effectively trap minerals and pollutants. This helps maintain your humidifier's peak performance. Experience improved breathing comfort, better sleep, and relief from nasal congestion and dry skin. They help maintain optimal humidity levels between 40% and 60%. For best results, we recommend using distilled water to prolong the filter's life. Replace them every 1 to 2 months for continuous optimal performance. This package includes 3 premium WF2 humidifier filters. Keep your home environment healthy and comfortable with this convenient value pack. What we like. This 3-pack offers a balanced approach, providing enough filters for regular replacement without the bulk of a larger pack. It boasts extensive compatibility across major brands like Vicks, Honeywell, and Kaz. If you need a reliable supply of filters for various humidifier models and prefer a moderate quantity, this is a practical and convenient selection. What people say. These fit perfectly, and don't seem to turn brown as quick as other brands I have used. These are easy to change out, and there has been absolutely no mold growth. It has some metal reinforcement in the filter, so it seems well constructed. We were initially hesitant to switch from the recommended brand to this one, as we always prefer to stick to the manufacturer's suggestions. However, after using it for several months, we're happy to say that there's no significant difference between this filter and the branded one. It works just as effectively, providing the same level of performance for our humidifier. They absorb water well and don't let it sink. I tried replacing it with something else, but these are the best. Number 2. Durabasics 4-pack humidifier filters WF2. Ensure your humidifier runs smoothly with our premium replacement filters. Designed for optimal performance, they provide clean and comfortable air. Our filters feature a strong center support layer. This design maximizes rigidity and minimizes sagging, even when wet, for lasting use. These filters are compatible with a wide range of Vicks models, including the Starry Night and various V3 series humidifiers. Enjoy uninterrupted moisture output. They also fit many Honeywell humidifiers, like the HCM 350 series, and Sunbeam models such as SCM 1118. A versatile choice for your home. For best results, flip the filter daily and use distilled water. Soaking new filters before use ensures uninterrupted moisture output. Maintaining clean air is simple with these filters. They are designed for easy replacement and effective filtration, keeping your air fresh. What we like. This 4-pack stands out with its reinforced design, featuring a center metallic support layer to prevent sagging. It's compatible with Vicks, Kaz, and Honeywell humidifiers, ensuring a snug fit and optimal performance. If you're concerned about filter integrity and want a durable option that maintains its shape, this is the ideal choice for consistent moisture output. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, resulting in clean and fresh-tasting water. The filter lasts for a long time, providing great value for money. Number 1. Cenipar WF2 Humidifier Filters Replacement. These replacement filters are designed to be compatible with a wide range of Vicks, Sunbeam, Kaz, and Envirocare humidifier models. They are a perfect fit for your existing unit, ensuring seamless integration. Replacing your old filter is simple and quick. For optimal performance and comfort, we recommend changing the filter every 1 to 2 months. Remember to clean your humidifier's water tank at the same time. Experience cleaner, fresher air with these high-performance filters. They effectively reduce scale buildup, neutralize odors, and promote better air circulation for a more comfortable environment. The advanced honeycomb lining maximizes water absorption for optimal output. This design ensures efficient humidification, helping to alleviate dry skin and improve sleep quality. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly materials, these filters are built to last. Their robust construction prevents deformation, offering a longer service life and reliable performance. Manufactured with strict quality standards, these filters provide peace of mind. You can trust in their performance and durability for your household's humidification needs. What we like. This 2-pack emphasizes high-quality materials and a honeycomb lining for maximum water absorption and optimal output. It's designed to inhibit scale and neutralize odors, promoting cleaner, more comfortable air. If you prioritize superior water absorption and air purification for a healthier breathing environment, this filter is an excellent choice for your home. What people say. These work great and are super affordable. They'll last for a long time, if not longer than the leading brand. They're easy to switch out, just need to rinse out and dampen. Replace the filter every month during the winter season. Fits well with my humidifier. Pwf2 Humidifier Filter Replacement for Casvix V3100, V3500, V3700, V3900. Just what I needed for my machine. They work very well too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.